Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you an unboxing. It's off the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, which is really cute, great for summer. I'll show you how I'm going to fit it into my lifestyle. If you are new here, I talk about designer products, luxury goods, bags, shoes. I also talk about my natural hair, things of that nature. So if you're interested in that, please hit the subscribe button and your notification bell, like and comment. All of the details will be in the description box, so expand that in order to see. I got this bag from, actually one became available at the store. I have a representative there who helps me. Once one became available, he let me know. He went ahead and placed the order and then shipped it to my house. Because I'm in Atlanta and the store is right here, I was able to get it overnight delivered. So I ordered yesterday and it came today. So this is a short video. Without any further ado, let's get started. I'm being joined today by my sister. She is on a WhatsApp call with me and we're gonna do this excitement together. Alright, so you can probably tell this tie looks wonky because, you know, I accidentally opened it before you guys because I was so excited. So this it would look more professional in the real world. So let's get it open. And I'll leave the details for the guy who helps me in the description box. If you are out of town, I'm sure you can contact him and he can help you. So the standard Louis packaging. Take that off. And then our dust bag. And our little receipt stuff. And let's get this open. Yay! So as you guys can see, it's super like sizable. I don't know where my partner is. What are you thinking? Cute or not?
Love it.
Yes.
Love it.
So this is how it looks. This is a front view. This is in Monogram. It also comes in Emprunté leather, which is the black with the logo imprint. But this is Monogram because it matches all my stuff, and I'm a sucker for brown, nudes, and golds. So it has a space in the back, but then it has this much larger space in the front, but the zip is hidden, so it's super duper cute. And then it has, I guess you could kind of hold it as a top handle too. And then we have this part, which is the belt. I love how the strap is. You can easily adjust it. Boom, boom. So this is a great hands-free option because you can wear it over the front of you, like so. Or I've seen girls wear it to the back, and I like it like that too. Of course, you could wear it as a belt bag around your waist.
Yeah, it has to be slouched on the hip. Love it.
So
Like,
yeah, there's lots of ways you could adjust this, but you get the idea. So I can have it hanging here, here, to the back, all that good stuff. Alright friends, so I'm thinking this is going to be my favorite way to wear it. Across the shoulder, hanging to the front, easy access to the zipper pocket, also easy access to the back pocket. And the reason I wanted this bag is my favorite tote bag right now is my JODI Melissa Tote. It's so cute. It also has the brown and gold. My sister has some too. She loves them. So it has an interior pocket. The inside is lined. So it's great for running around with the kids because you can like easily clean any spills that you make. I also use it as a grocery bag, things like that. So I don't want to have a big bag and also a tote. So I have my little bag with the essentials, and then I have my JODI Melissa tote. I put the link in the description. Listen, this bag fits a lot. A lot. So I have the never full wristlet in here, and my, I don't remember which wallet this is, but I'll link it. They both fit in there nicely. My keys go in the little pocket, and then I can do that and still have room for my essentials. Definitely, I love the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. Let's see what it could fit. So my whole wallet fit in here. And usually I put my essentials in this one. Oh gosh, y'all don't want to see what's in here. Let's not do this. But I could actually fit the entire wristlet in it. and there's still space. Like, there's a lot of room to the front here. So yeah, this bag is very roomy. It fits quite a bit, and there's still space for this back pocket. So this is the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Please watch my other videos that I have linked up here for you that are very similar to this one. And also look out for new content every week. See you next time.